You always have to challenge yourself. If you never challenge yourself or try something different, then you're always going to be where you are. That's a real truth. You have to get out and push yourself to different limits with your abilities and knowledge to be able to learn more. My name's Andy Rowe. I'm the Operations Engineer here in Richland County. I do a little bit of everything. I was born and raised in Lexington, South Carolina. I was always the kid that played in the dirt in the yard. I knew when I grew up that I wanted to be around heavy equipment, and construction industries always fascinated me. The big machines, big trucks, they always fascinated me. I was in the National Guard for 8 years. When the military helped me to be self-sustained, helped me to stand on my own 2 feet. The military taught me to be self-sufficient. I've had the opportunity to interact with a lot of good people here with DOT. Some of the most dependable people I have. Teamwork is the most important. You know, you hear from other people that there's one DOT. Well, it truly is. If you work as one, then there's really nothing you can't accomplish. I've always said that you need to be up early, get yourself prepared for the day so you can prepare others. I get started about 5:36, ready to go to work. My day normally consists of supporting 5 foremen that are under my direct supervision. I make sure that they have what they need for the day. I talk to my lady in the warehouse, make sure she has what she needs. I talk to the other ARMEs here, see if they have any special needs, equipment, supplies, and get my guys started, make sure they go through their tailgate safety meetings. Then we try to have a productive day. There's no way to express how important safety is. I want to see all my guys go home. I want them to come here, have a safe, productive job site, to be able to support themselves and their family, but I want to most importantly see them go home. What a lot of people don't realize, the state is basically a first responder. Winter storms, floods, tornadoes, hurricanes. Once the threat of safety is over, the public goes in and takes shelter. We're out in the storm actually working. We're the ones who clear the trees. We're the ones who remove the debris. DOT's leaving their family to go out and make sure that the other people, when they wake up the next morning, they have a safe road to travel on. I've been very fortunate to have some really good supervisors in my career to where I could learn from them and watch them and get some of that knowledge and soak it up to apply it to my career. And I think that's what's really helped me go a long way. I know we're highlighting one person, but it's, you know, I feel kind of humble here because I'm just one small part of the puzzle when it comes to Richland County. You know, there's several people here that make a big impact, and I try to remember that and support them as much as I can.